You're right, Gandhi. Sometimes it will to me, but the mind is somewhere else. I wish I could have studied this way earlier. Then the condition would have been different.
Very good, son, very good. I'm proud of you.
If you want to love yourself now, then you have to learn to love your past because the struggles you went through yesterday have made you who you are today. If people go away from you, let them go. Your destiny is never tied to anyone who leaves you, and it does not mean that they are bad. It just means that their part in your story is over.